Yes, we are in Noprils, guys. As you can see, the cloudy weather in the evening. Still there's a sun. The parking lot. It's dark, but it's cold in outside. That's what I like. The cold weather at night in the afternoon. See, it's good. This plant is preparing for this coming summer. See, and at the back there's a ECS big school there. Nice. It's totally night, almost 9 o'clock or something. The surrounding area of the supermarket. That's all, guys, because we need to do this every boring time after work, killing time. See you guys next time.